Hello, I'm Siri. Today, I'll be talking about how DemoDazzle and Qwen AI work together to create highly personalized product demos. Instead of showing the same demo to every customer, this combination helps businesses deliver demos that are tailored to each buyer's needs, making sales conversations more engaging and effective. Let's see how it works. Here's what we'll discuss today. First, we'll understand what DemoDazzle and Qwen AI are. Then we'll see why they work so well together. After that, I'll explain how the AI integration works behind the scenes. We'll also look at the key benefits for sales teams, followed by the real-world impact and a quick conclusion. Let's start with the basics. DemoDazzle is an interactive demo platform that helps companies create engaging product demonstrations. Instead of using static slides, it creates experiences that customers can interact with. On the other hand, Qwen AI is the intelligence behind the demo. It understands customer information, their interests, and the context of the conversation. When these two work together, every demo becomes more personalized. The platform automatically adjusts the flow based on what matters most to each buyer, making demos more relevant and increasing the chances of closing a sale. Now let's see why this combination is so powerful. First, Qwen AI analyzes customer behavior, previous interactions, and even industry trends. Based on that information, it highlights the features that are most relevant for that specific customer instead of giving everyone the same presentation. This also saves valuable time for sales representatives because the AI handles much of the preparation, allowing them to focus on building relationships and answering customer questions. Here's how the process works step by step. First, Qwen AI collects and analyzes available information about the prospect. Next, DemoDazzle automatically rearranges the demo to focus on the features that will interest that customer the most. As the conversation continues, the system can even bring in relevant examples and content in real time. Finally, every completed demo teaches the system something new, helping future demos become even smarter without requiring constant manual updates. There are several important benefits for sales teams. The biggest advantage is personalization. Every customer feels like the demo was designed specifically for them. Another benefit is improved efficiency because sales reps spend less time preparing presentations. It also strengthens sales enablement by making demo content more intelligent and adaptable. Most importantly, personalized demos often lead to higher engagement and better conversion rates. Let's look at the impact this can have in real business situations. Companies using AI-powered demos often experience shorter sales cycles because buyers quickly see the value that's most relevant to them. One interesting thing is that customers usually don't even notice the AI working in the background. They simply enjoy a smoother and more relevant experience. It also helps marketing and sales teams work together better, since demo content can adjust based on customer feedback and interactions. To conclude, today's buyers expect personalized experiences rather than generic presentations. By combining DemoDazzle with Qwen AI, businesses can create demos that are adaptive, data-driven, and focused on each customer's needs. Instead of using one demo for everyone, companies can deliver smarter presentations that improve engagement and increase conversions. Here are a few common questions. One question is whether integrating Qwen AI with DemoDazzle is difficult. The answer is no. Most teams can get started quickly without complex technical work. Another common question is whether it works with existing sales enablement platforms. Yes, it is designed to enhance existing systems rather than replace them. And finally, does Qwen AI replace sales representatives? Not at all. It simply supports sales teams by making demos smarter, while the sales representative continues building relationships and closing deals. Thank you for your time and attention. As we've seen today, combining DemoDazzle with Qwen AI helps businesses create personalized, intelligent demos that engage customers and improve sales outcomes. I hope this presentation gave you a clear understanding of how this powerful combination works. Thank you.